Well, we're standing out in front of the site here, and this is where our new school store, gym lobby, fitness area that'll go all the way down to our ag and greenhouse. We've got sand fill in, they're filling in for our footings.
It's an exciting time. We're trying to give you a early look at what it looks like with demolition and no new construction. And then we'll bring you some updates throughout the process so you can see the progress as we go. So thanks for tuning in. Yes.
All right, we're walking into the old Panthers den here, and they got all the walls tore out between here and the old ag classroom, and then into the gym lobby to create the new concession gym lobby space.
And after that, you'll see the new layouts and renderings of the new fitness center.